and it's 083251. And let me confirm it was verifying. So email got been verified, and now let me give you a password for this. You can give your own password, so you can remember, right? So let me continue. After finishing this, please take this free 6 months trial. Okay, why? Because you guys are creating for practice only, right? You are not doing this for any organization or any company. So if you taken this for 6 months, free 6 months, then it won't cost you. Okay, so I'm just selecting this choose free plan, or if you want to access more servers, then you can go with this paid also. So but it will take some charge, and this is using for personal purpose. Okay, because I'm not creating this for organization, so that's why I selected this personal. Now let me give my name, and don't forget to give here short names, okay, or nicknames. You should give complete name as per your government IDs, like Aadhaar or PAN card or voter ID, like that. Okay. Let me give here my phone number. Now I'm selecting India. Okay. And address. Anything you can give here address. There is nothing to worry about this. So I'm just giving mine. Okay, just go like this. State means Andhra Pradesh, city means where you will live, and address line one. What was the flat number? Kind of okay, and give here postal pin. After giving this, select this checkbox. Okay, after selecting this, go to next page. That by agreeing and conditions. So here it will charge you for 2 rupees. Okay, while creating an AWS account, it will ask you to pay 2 rupees, nothing more. It won't ask. And also prefer to here use Visa card. If you are using any Rupee card, then it won't like it won't get you like to create. Okay, sometimes it getting issues. It's better to be use Visa card or credit cards. So I'm using here Visa card. So let me give the details about my card to pay the money. Okay, it's a 482801. Okay, so I'm just giving my card details only. If you want to save the card, you can save, or no need. You no need to worry about that. Okay, and use my contact address. So if it will ask where you are living, that billing address. Okay. Yeah. If it asks do you have any PAN, then please click yes. Okay. And let me give here my PAN card details, and then verify and continue. Why? Because this PAN card, uh, actually AWS want to ask you you are a genuine person or not. Actually, some people will use for time pass purpose, right? So for that purpose, it will ask you these kind of verifications. So I've just given my OTP, and payment has been deducted from my account. See, sometimes what will happen if you are using Rupee card, it won't go to the next page, and it will stay on the building page only. So that's why I'm trying to say is use only Visa card. and this is personal use, right? So I'm giving just personal use. Okay. And honor type, here multiple options will be there. For this I'm just giving individual. Why? Because I'm using this one for just only practice purpose, so that's why I'm giving individual, and no need to give any extra. Okay. And don't get worry about in organization. Why? Because they will only create for you the account and will give you IAM user. Okay. So that's why. And here I'm giving my PAN card details. Okay, sorry, my mistake. And here I'm giving my PAN card number and choose my name. And don't forget to upload your PAN card. Or if you're selecting here PAN card, then you have to upload PAN card. Or if you are uploading any voter ID or Aadhaar card, then you have to upload particular card. Okay. So I'm just giving my PAN card. Okay, and I'm accepting this consent that to create AWS account and also my verification for the third party services. Okay, and click on continue option, and let me confirm the with OTP to get login. Okay, and also no need to worry about these international transactions. You can give anything, and try to avoid this option disable. Okay, international one. And also I will tell you how to delete this account after complete the session. Okay. Why? Because if you are not deleting the account, then you will get the charge and it will automatically pay from your debit card or credit card. Okay. So for that I'm just show you how to delete also, so you don't get worry. Just a second, I didn't got this OTP. Let me try to send it again. And give this enter this a capture. Yes, now I got this OTP. Okay, done. Here I was successfully created the account. So let me log in with the new account. Okay. See, it was trying to say which plan you want to use. So I'm just taking this free account. Okay. If you are taking for the second option, it means a developer support from 29 per month. I mean $29 per month, and another one is business support for $100 per month. So if you are taking, if you selected this one, means you have to pay every month $29. That means you have to convert it into dollars. Then you can know how it will charge, but I'm just taking for practice purpose. So that's why I'm selecting this free one, and then complete the sign up. Done. Again, you have to log in, sign into this console. Okay. Actually, now you are connecting as an root user. Okay. Remember that one. Let me search here EC2. Then you can see here. See, I was able to create a AWS account and also open the account. Okay. Now I'm going to create this instance. Before that, I want to let you know what is EC2. Okay. EC2 means Elastic Cloud Compute. Okay. Elastic Cloud Compute means whatever you are using this application, or whatever you are want to do any web hosting or anything you want to do in this particular application, then you must have to create this EC2. By creating this EC2, you can launch the another machine, like a virtual machine. Let me give you a small explanation about this EC2. Like when you requesting AWS to give you an EC2 instance, what exactly are you requesting means you are requesting AWS to provide you a virtual server. Okay, this virtual server will act as like a physical server in your personal computer, or in your I mean organization laptop. Okay, so let's say you want to use this laptop as divided to two to three people, or 10 members, or like that. So what will you do? You have to install the hypervisor in your laptop. Then you have to create some logical isolated virtual machines, so that you just multiple you can share this multiple people from your laptop. But before doing that, what we are doing is we are doing this initially by using Amazon. Okay, without getting any outer space and anything hard disk kind of uh, let me tell you like this, or server comes with the huge resource, right? So if you use this concept of hypervisor and virtual machines, you can take only one physical server and share it amongst multiple people, and the same thing AWS does. So when you request AWS for an EC2 instance, AWS has multiple physical servers across the world. So through that, it will create you simply an EC2 instance, and you can share it to anyone in the organization. Okay. Uh, and also, let me tell you about this. Wait a second. Mm, Actually, all of you know what is virtual machine. Actually, virtual machine is a software-based computer that runs inside another computer, right? It behaves like a real physical computer when its own CPU, memory, storage, and processor, and also OS. OS means operating system. But instead of using this physical hardware directly, it uses virtual hardware creating by software. For example, if you want to create a one, okay, let me tell you, you have a personal laptop, right? So by using this personal laptop, what will you do? Only by yourself you can do the your work, and you cannot create, or you cannot share the same work to another people, right? So by that, what will you do? You cannot share your work, and you cannot give any permissions from your laptop to another person. So to work on this solution, what AWS does is you can create a virtual machine in a low cost. For example, you can take this you can create these instances by IBM or Wipro, or like that also, but they will charge you more. by comparison to AWS. Okay, imagine, for example, if you want to travel somewhere, okay, what will you do? You will rent a car, okay. By renting the car, how much it will cost? 3 to 5 thousand, right? Or if you want to travel something somewhere else, then what will you do? If you have car, then you will go on car. If you're not having car, what will you do? You will just rent a car, right? So if you are buying a whole car, means how much it will cost? Around 10 to 13 lakhs, right? Without wasting the money, you are simply renting a car for 10 hours or 12 hours or 24 hours. What will happen? It will overcome the cost over the lakhs, right? So like that only we are creating the EC2 instance using AWS. So here, and also it has by coming to this virtual machine, physical hardware you are having, and in physical hardware means what we call CPU, RAM, storage, a processor, like that. And the hypervisor means like you are behaving like a manager. That means you hypervisor will give the all the work to the resources. So like that it will act. And also it has between hardwares also, and also it divided physical resource and assign them to virtual machines. Example, hypervisors also called as VMwares, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, KVM, like that. Okay. And also these virtual machines runs with OS. OS means, for example, take a mobile. How it will work? By using for Android, will have a Snapdragon, MediaTek, or FunTouch OS, like that. So coming to iOS, I mean iPhone, it has a iOS, right? So like that, it will also having take an example with the laptop. For Windows will be there, right? Like that, virtual machines also will have few of OS, like Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, Red Hat, or Debian, like that will be there. Okay. And these hypervisors will have two types, like a bare metal hypervisor, which is installed directly on hardware, and another one is like hosted hypervisor. It means runs on the top of the OS, like that. And also it will use as when testing or learning or personal use, or any small projects on that kind of works, will use this hypervisors. Okay. And also it has more isolation and flexibility. At the same time, snapshots also, portability, and also resource sharing. So, like that, flexibility means we can run multiple OSs on the same machine. Like if you are creating an EC2, then you can run with Windows OS, or Linux OS, or Red Hat OS, or Ubuntu, like that. You can create multiple OSs for one instance, like that. Okay. And also, mostly these virtual machines will use in for education, or training purpose, or software development, or testing, or server consolidation, or security, like that. We will use this virtual machine. And also, more importantly, cloud computing. That's what we are using right now. And also it has like more credibility. You can use virtual machines. And also this hypervisor and virtual machine will work like as top of the application will be there. The below that guest operating system will be used, and also below that a hypervisor will be used, and below that you are using this physical hardware, like that. That means, in simple words, can I tell you, you are using your laptop. For example, your laptop got damaged, or got anything happen, your laptop is not working, then what will you do? You have to submit a project immediately to the client or in the company. What will happen? You cannot access your laptop. So on the time, you can use this AWS account in any laptop by just logging your AWS account, and by launching this easy tools, you can do anything on anywhere on the internet. Okay. So just like how will you log in your Facebook, Insta? You can log in laptop, and also you can log in mobile or multiple mobiles, right? So same kind of you can use this AWS account and in various devices. So by that you cannot have any worries about that. About your work. So like that, these we will use, and most of the companies are right now using these AWS or GCP or Azure. Every almost 90% of the companies are using like this only. They are using these virtual machines and doing their work. So that's why they are always giving this work from home also. If this cloud is not available, then what will happen? Everyone should go to the office and should work on inside the office, right? But when we are getting this cloud option, then it gone easier. So like that, we will use wherever you can use, whenever you want to use, you can use like anything. Okay, and also it has more advantages, like it can save the money, and also it can easy to backup and restore, and can run different OSs at the same time, and also good for testing at the same time security also. Okay, so this is called actually virtual machine. So by using this EC2, we are creating a virtual machine. But what is this EC2? EC2 means nothing but combinations of OS, CPU, RAM, and processors. Only we are creating this EC2. Okay. Mm, and also in a virtualization platform that AWS has, it will give you a virtual machines, so that AWS that is elastic cloud compute, so you can understood what is compute, and you can understand what is cloud and what is elastic. Okay. Coming to this elastic, why it got the name as elastic cloud compute means elastic. See, whenever you want to increase the resources, I mean, resource means here instances. Okay. Whenever you want to increase these instances, you can increase the instance at any time, at any moment. Okay, and also at the same time, you can I mean, you can decrease these instances also, so you can instantly scale up and scale down whenever you want, and based on this also scaling up and scaling down also, there will be a cost cutting. So when you are not using at the night time, what will happen? uh, you can scale down the instances, so very less resources will be work. Then what will happen? How many instances will work? That work only, for that only you can pay this amount. So like that, you can for daytime more resources will be work. So what will happen? Then amount will be charged high. So like that, it has a more elasticity, so that's why it got name like elastic. Okay. And compute means here, by the combination of this CPU, RAM, disk, and disk like that, will I mean, by using this computer, we can able to create this virtual machine, right? So for that, and cloud, whatever you are using this in AWS means it's a cloud. So like that, Elastic Compute Cloud has name got as a easy to. Okay, so now let me create this EC2. Okay, so then navigate to instances. So in this page, just click on launch instances. you can for the first time means you can click here or you can click here. Okay, no problem. So when clicking this launch instance, it will navigate to the another page and it will show uh, what was the name you want to give that particular instance. So I just want to create as rcap. Okay, so I given name as rcap. You can give anything like there is no restrictions for this instance creation name. Okay, so here I can give rcap or I can give rcap application. Okay, so whatever you want, you can give like that here name. Okay, see, I told you this OS, right? While creating the virtual machine in the cloud, you are doing means, I mean, sorry, you are creating a virtual computer in your physical computer. That means wherever you are there, you can use this application, I mean, this virtual machine. So for this, there are a combination of CPU, RAM, disk, OS, right? So for this, we are giving here, see here, AWS are giving lot of AMS. AMS means Amazon Machine Image. That means it is nothing but a OS. Okay. See here. mm, AWS Marketplace AMS. That means it has total 6,225 of AMS. That means it has that many flavors of OS. Okay, but here I'm just taking this by default. I mean AWS Linux, or you can take Mac OS, or you can take Red Hat, or you can use this Ubuntu or SUSE Linux. Microsoft will be there, and also you can see this Debian will be there. So there are a lot of AMIs. So you can choose anything. Okay. Sorry, sorry, my mistake. Let me go. So without selecting this OS, you cannot create this virtual machine. For example, you are using a mobile. If OS is not there, for example, let me tell iOS is there. I mean iPhone mobile. What is the OS? It will use iOS. I mean iPhone operating system, right? So if I didn't any install this iOS means can able to use the iPhone? No, right? So like that only here we will give this. I mean OS. So the for that purpose I'm giving this Amazon Linux. Okay. And here, this is Amazon Linux 2023 kernel 6.1 AMI. This means for this OS, there is a version, right? See, for example, take an Android version. What will be there? Android 14 will be there, Android 15 will be there, and also Android 13 will be there. Right? So, like that, it's saying you there are a lot of versions. So, which version you want to use? And here, mm, here I'm just taking this 6.1. Why? Because just a second. Uh, uh, and also you can take any OS, nothing to worry. I'm just demonstrating you. I'm just showing this Amazon Linux. You can use Windows also, uh, or you can use Ubuntu. Anything is fine. So now I think you guys can see my screen, right? So I'm just taking this 6.1 AMI. Why? Because there is a cost cutting, right? See, Amazon has a mantra like pay as you go. What you are using, you have to pay for that. If you are using less, then you can pay for the less. Or if you are going extending, or you are using more CPUs or more, I mean, latest version of this version, what will happen? It will charge you more. See here, what it's telling, it's a 64-bit into 86. That means a regular PC will be used this one. So, and it has a root device EBS. Coming to here, it will charge you one amount and it will charge you one amount. Like that, there will be charge cutting. Whatever you use, you have to pay for that. So like that, you can use. But actually, I'm just demonstrating, right? So that's why taking this as 6.1. And also, don't using these versions. Also, there will be a speed. See, how can we say? Take this Android OS 10 version and take Android version 15 version. What will happen if you are comparing with both the mobiles? Which one will be higher? Android 15 will be higher, right? So like that here also. I'm just using this personal account, right? So that's why I'm just taking the 6.1. See, description will be there. If you are able to read, you can go ahead after while you are creating. And this instance type, okay, instance type means whatever the CPU you are using, whatever the RAM you are using for that one, it asking. Previously, actually, before June month, there is a 750 hours of usage. So you can use up to 750 hours freely and without any charge. But now what is happening, right? It's giving you a free $200. So what will happen if you are extended with $100? Then you will get charged. Let me show you here. Just a second. I'm just showing this account billing payments. See, until now I didn't got any amount. Why? Because I'm just created right now, right? So that's why it's not asking to. It's not displaying any amount. Or if I using this for 1 day or 2 days, it will display here the amount. So like that, it will show. Don't worry. Once you went back to the from this page, it will ask you to create again. Let me give you just a name, cap, and I explain to you this what is AMI, and also coming to this instance type. Previously, there are a lot of instances will are available. Can you see here, right? Actually, this won't can display this much longer. See, it was saying you as T2 Nano. For this, will you charge only $0.0073 per hour? That means if you are using more than 6 hours or 10 hours or 20 hours, it will charge you only for $1. So it we can barely can pay. Coming to this nano and micro, what is happening? See, it asking you to pay the 0.0146 USD per hour. That means it was increased, right? From nano to comparing to nano and micro. Or if you are changed to small, then see T2 small, it will charge you some more, a little bit more. See, 384. So like, and also this instance type is actually. See, for example, I'm just creating a Flipkart application. So what will happen? It won't take that much space or storage. So it's just simply to create with T2 small or T2 micro. Or if you want to do this AI related, or if you want to create for data analytics, what will happen? It will take lot of storage. So you have to use more CPUs and more memories. So see, T2.2x large. That means it was using 8 CPUs. That means for a single laptop, what will be there? Only one CPU, right? But here it using 8 CPUs at a time. 8 CPUs with the 22 gigabytes memory. See how it was. So and also for this charging, see, 0.5672 USD per hour. That means it's very huge amount comparing to T2 small and T2 large. So like that, it will be select. So for just showing to you, I'm just creating this nano. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Let me take this micro, because if I take nano means it will very slow. If I take if I took T2 micro, then it will somewhat fast. So that's why. So these are compared by your work. Okay, based on your work, you have to select these options. So if you want OS is not an issue. You can use Amazon or Windows or Red Hat. Anything is you can. So and also let me tell you later this one don't so this is for instance type. Okay, now I'm going to tell about this key pair. What is key pair? It is like a okay, it is like a password to open your instance. Okay, and it is a combination of a public key and private key. Okay, public then you can, and one don't worry, these public and private key will be created by AWS only while creating this instance. Okay, but if you want to public pair key, then you can create a new pair, or you can use already existing pair. But here I am creating a new key pair. Why? Because I don't this one new account, right? So that's why I'm creating a new key pair. By this key pair only you can log into SSH, in mobile extern. Okay, if you want to connect this instance via SSH connection, you should must and not only for SSH. If you want to create, if you want to launch this instance through AWS also, you need to open new key. You need to create this key pair. So let me create a key pair. You can give any name for this. For remembering, I'm just giving RCAP. Okay, and coming to this RSA. RSA means it will create you a complete encrypted format. Actually, whatever the keeper you are creating, that is encrypted. You cannot see what is inside. Okay. By that, in while you are connecting this SSH or anything, you have to type this, but it won't allow you to type entire the password. And also it is not a one line or one word. It has a lot of encryption words. So don't worry, I will show you how it will be. So I'm just taking this RSA. Okay, and this is for putty. Okay, you can use connections with SSH or putty, but I'm here using, I want to use with mobile extend. So that's why I'm taking this PEM file. So this PEM is for SSH, and if you want to use putty, then you can create a for keeper with PPK. So I'm just going with the PEM file. I'm just creating a keeper. So and remember this keeper will be created only for one time. Okay, it won't create again and again. And don't forget to play store it very carefully. If you lost this keeper, then you are not able to open your instance. If instance is not able to open, then your entire work will be collapsed. So please be careful with the keeper, and store it very careful. If you anyone want to access your instance, then you have to share your key pair with them, or not they cannot access your instance. And also remember this, a combination of public key and private key. Public key only will be generated by us, and the private key will be created AWS only, and it will give you the direct access with the while you are opening this instance. Okay, and coming to this network settings. These network settings have lot of work, but when I will teach you VPC, then I will discuss with this. But before that, I just want to give a brief explanation about this. So that one, that means it has a some connectivity and security will be there, scalability, internet access, and also it has a high availability. So coming to this connectivity, how it will be connect means it will connect this instance and at the same time with your personal laptop or personal computer. For example, let me explain like this way. You are using your earbuds, and if you want to connect these earbuds with your mobile, what will you do? You have to use Bluetooth, right? By connecting with by using Bluetooth only, you can able to connect this uh, blue earbuds and at the same time mobile. Then like that, here also this network will act. By using this SSH connection only, you can able to give the access from I mean virtual machine to your personal computer. So like that. And coming to this security, it has more firewall rules. So for that, no one can hack your virtual machine. Even though if anyone has hacked your virtual machine, what will happen? You can see the traces what they are doing and how they connected to your instance also. So by that you can aware with that, and you can get the what we say get alert. And scalability, by for this scalability you can place the instance in different subnets. So don't worry, this subnet concept I will tell you on VPC while teaching you VPC concept. Okay, internet access, coming to this internet access to download updates or server websites globally. Okay, and coming to this high availability, by this you can by spreading across subnets in different availability. Okay, so like this combinations of these networks, subnet, RTOS, and public IP, firewalls, and the SSH traffic. By these only you can create this network settings. Okay. And coming to this, configure storage. Configure storage means nothing but see, you will phone have like RAM and ROM, right? Like 256 GB and 12 GB of RAM, like that. It will also use. See, for 1 GB, GIB is 3000 IOPS. Okay, like that it will use. And that's it. By scroll down to bottom, you can give the click on launch instance. See, first of all, you have to give the name of the instance, and then if select the OS, which one you want, and version also. By selecting this, you can create this OS, and also how many CPUs and how much memory you want to use. That one we have to select here in instance type. And also if you are having any key pair, you can use the previous key pair, or if you want to create a new key pair, you can create. And this one is another concept I will tell you later. And that's it. You can launch the instance. And it was creating the instance by the combinations of all these OS and storage CPUs with that. And see here, instance state is pending. Why? Because it's very slow. I took this T2 small, so that's why. If I take an T2 large or a T2 micro or anything, means it will get fast. And here instance state means running or stop, or terminate means running means it was active. This instance is active. Okay. For example, if I stop this instance, what will see? Sorry, instance state. I'm just stopping the instance. So that means I cannot do any work in this instance. Okay. See, it was displaying stopping, and also it will change it to stopped condition. I mean stopped state. See, it got changed as a stop. So again, if you want to start means just click on start instance. Okay. Once it was started, before that, I will tell you how to install this mobile extern. Okay. Don't worry. I'll just give complete information about this, how to create a AWS account and how to create this EC2 and how to install this mobile extern and everything I shared with PPT. Don't worry. It will get it to you. You can use this one or you can use anything is fine. Okay. See here, this one means you can get more clarity. That's why I took this website. So just anything is fine. Installer edition is one type of mobile extern, and the portable edition is one type of mobile extern. So I'm just downloading this mobile extern. So let me download it. Nothing to worry to download this mobile extern. Just downloaded it and open the file in file manager and extract the file. That's it. You can use it. And coming to this OS, if you are using Windows also, you can take Ubuntu or Windows OS or Linux. Anything is fine. Nothing to worry. Okay, I'm just going to this downloads. See, extract the file. See, I extracted the file and done. By opening this, you can open the mobile extern application. That's it. Very simple to use this mobile extern. Okay. Now I want to connect this EC2 in my private laptop. So this mobile extern will act as a Bluetooth bridge. That means it was a it was act as like a bridge. Okay, just to connect your see, I told you by connecting this SSH, you can able to connect these both at a time by using this SSH. See here, remote host. Remote host means nothing but whatever. Sorry to ask you, all of you can see my screen, right? Hello. Uh, can you able to see my mobile extern page or not? See, everyone can see this page in my screen. Okay. So everyone able to see my mobile system, right? So I'm just copying copying this public IP v4 address. Why? Because if you want to connect your EC2 uh, in your private network, so then you have to take this public IP address. So by this, it will take the SSH connection. Okay. So with this only, you can create, open the instance. And why this mobile XTM use means it will connect this instance virtual machine in your personal laptop. Okay. See, previously I told you the example of earbuds and the mobile connection. How will you connect? By the Bluetooth, right? Uh, this Bluetooth, what will happen? It will take the IP address of earbuds and at the same time take this mobile IP address. By connecting these two IP address, it will successfully connect the so, earbuds and also mobile, right? Same like here also this EC2 instance and our private laptop will be connected by this mobile external bridge. So for that, we'll give this remote host. We will copy it from IP address, public IP address, and specify the username as EC2 user. When if you are using this AWS Linux, then we will take give the specify username as EC2 user or not. If you are using Ubuntu, then you have to give as Ubuntu. Then if you are using Windows, then you have to give here Windows. So like that, whatever the OS you are using, so that OS version, OS name should be mentioned as a specify username. By that only you can connect this username. Okay. So coming to this advanced SSH settings. Why? Because see, previously we have created this private key, right? So that key will be let me just a second. See, I was trying to open this key pair. How it was displaying? See, you guys can see this? Can see? Okay, okay then it's fine. I think you didn't see this one also. So let me come again from starting. See, remote host. Remote host means whatever you are created the instance, that instance public IP address will be available below the details. Okay, so once you click on see, if you're not selecting any instance, then it won't display anything. Okay, so once you are selecting what instance you want to connect in mobile stem, then you should select that instance. In that there is a public IPv4 address. So that means this is called public IP address of your instance. Okay, by copying this public IP address, you have to paste it. You have to paste it in a remote host. Then only you can able to give the access from EC2 to your private laptop. Okay, and also we can connect this through a lot of bridges, like we can use a Visual Studio, we can use Putty, we can use this mobextem, we can use other Ubuntu also. So like that, but this is more easy to use. Even though Visual Studio also it will easy, but if you want to practice how to use this instance creation and how to use this application, it's better to learn in mobextem. Why? Because in Visual Studio there are a lot of shortcuts, and there will be these suggestions. So through that you cannot use any. You are get very free to learn. So what will happen? You cannot remember what all those. But if you are using this mobile exam, you can know. You can remember for long time. So for that, and coming to this connection, you can use only mobile exam or Visual Studio or AWS console, or you can use Putty, and you cannot use to launch the instance in Git or Git Bash. Okay, that is another concept for this, and we are just doing only connection between private laptop, your personal laptop, and the instance. Okay, for this only we are using this mobile exam, and also we are do the applications, or we can push the code from here to Git. Don't worry, I will show you. So okay, by copying and pasting the IP address of your instance here, and after if you are using Linux user, then you have to mention it as EC2 user. Okay, or if you are using Ubuntu, then you have to use as a Ubuntu, like this. Okay, if you are changing any OS means, then you have to aware of this specify username. So I taken this EC2 user, Linux, right? So I'm giving here EC2 user. For example, if I didn't give EC2 user, then what will happen? Let's see. Okay, and use private key. And here private key is the password that we have created in EC2 instance while creating this instance, right? That password you are not able to copy paste here, and it won't accept like that. So for that purpose, what I have done, see, if you are open the key pair, then it will show like this in encrypted mode. So you cannot able to understand what was the password. And so for this, I'm just simply taking the file where I was downloaded and selecting the key pair. See, it will take the path from your personal laptop or company laptop. Then what will it do? It will while connecting these two, it will give the password directly by using SSH connection. Okay, and now I'm just clicking on OK and also accepting. See what is it was displaying? Server not found. Server refused our key. Why? Because I given EC2. See, I given user as a EC2. If you given EC2 or EC2 or anything, then it won't connect. So for that, I'm just doing select this and give the EC2 user. What will happen now? It will try to connect with EC2 user, that means Linux user. And again, I'm taking this. See, now it will be connected. Yes, right? So that means you are successfully launched your instance in your private laptop by using this mobile XTEM. So here you will do all the work according to your company. Okay, let me see what where I was. See, it was showing as easy to user. Okay, like that we'll connect this instance in our local network. Now, let me tell you this how to delete the account once you are created the account. Why? Because I told you if you are not deleted and once and remember this one also not deleting before that I want to explain this. If you are creating this running mm, while creating this I mean instance, it will be on running. That means when it was running, the charge will be I mean it will be charged. When it was in stop, then it won't charge you. That means it, like pay as you go. How much you will use, you have to pay for that only. If you are running this for 24 hours, then it will bill. You will get a bill for 24 hours. Not if you are using only for 1 hour, you will get only 1 hour. So once you are completed with your work, you have to stop the instance. Okay, and click on stop. Okay, or if you are forget to stop this instance, then you will get a lot of bill by the working of hours. And in why? Because you have to stop. This is your personal account, not your organization. But coming to the organization, that means in your company, if you are doing any work with this instance, you don't have to stop this. Why? Because few should be on run state. If why? Because see, for example, Facebook is there. Few servers will be should run continuously. If not, what will happen? Facebook servers will be down immediately. See, sometimes we'll face the issues while using this phone pay or Google Pay that server has been down. Why? Because if instance has been stopped, then what will happen? That server will be get down. If instance are running, then you won't get any issues while using this phone pay or Google Pay. So further, you have to do this. If you are in an organization, manager or a team lead will instruct you what instances should be stopped and what instances should be run on the hours base. Okay. But while you are using this personal account, please avoid such conditions like your that means forget to stop this instance means you will get more bill. If you get more bill means you have to pay that. To avoid such conditions, what will you do? If amount has increased up to you can use this account for 6 months up to $100. You can use this account if you are exceeding more than $100. What will happen? You cannot I mean you cannot use this account. If you are still using the means it will charge you. So per dollar it approximately 90 rupees like that. So that means if you are use it for $100 means how much? So like that. So to avoid after completing your work, everything that means or if amount has been charging you more, then what you have to do is go to this and account, click on account, and just click on close account. And after clicking this close account, don't open with that mail or don't open with that username again and again. Why? Because if you once open before the 90 days, then it will be get activated automatically. So that means you have to pay. That means you are giving previously while creating the account, right? Like your debit card or credit card, and also PAN card details, right? So through that, they will, I mean, they gave complaint in police stations or anything. If you are not paying means, if you pay means, nothing will happen. So to avoid such things, after completing my work, I'm just simply closing this account. So if you are closing this account, you are not get any price. So I'm just confirming the account closure. So once this was account closed, I won't open it again and again. So that's it. So this is how you will create the account and create the instance. Okay. So thank you guys. This is my session today. Is there any questions? So by this, you all are have to create your own AWS account and try to connect your EC2 instances in mobile time. And sorry, forgot to tell you this one closer, right? Don't worry, I will show you. Let me open with another account. Sorry, it's my bad. I just want to show you how to open with AWS also. See, I told you right before. If you are not closing this account, what will happen? See how it was. Amount has increased, $118. Still, I didn't pay this amount. So simply, what I will do? See, I will close this account so that I can. I no need to pay this $118. Okay. So like that, you have to manage. But don't forget to. Close it. If you are done with your work, stop the instance. Okay. Once instance has been stopped, then you won't get any charge. So okay, let it be run. So it was running. See, I can you guys see this option here above this one? So this is called Cloud Shell. So by using this one also, you can connect your instance and your personal laptop through this Cloud Shell also, or you can use mobile extern. Anyone is anything is fine. See what it displaying here, Cloud Shell user. Before in mobile extern, what it has in display, EC2 user. So like that, it will change the users. Okay. So like that, we can use this. Okay. Instances creation. So that's it.